Hello and happy Wednesday. I'm Colleen, and today we are talking about dental assistant career goals. So, if you are someone who is in a profession or an industry and you plan on being in that profession or industry for a long time, it's important to have career goals in order to help you hone your skills, deliver better work output, and to advance within your career. Okay. And today we're focusing specifically on dental assistants. So, in today's stream, we're going to be talking about why career goals are important for dental assistants. We're going to be discussing some short and long term career goals and how to pursue them. Okay. But before we dive too deeply into that, just want to remind everyone that these weekly streams are brought to you by Princess Dental Staffing. They are an online dental job board and they have positions available for dental receptionists, dental assistants, dental hygienists, and dentists in a variety of different areas. They've got full time and part time positions available, also temporary and permanent roles available as well. Okay. So, if you can, hop on to princessdentalstaffing.com today to see what positions they have available in your area. If you are a job seeker, you can also create a profile and get your information in front of hiring managers. And if you are a hiring manager, decision maker, practice owner, you can also visit princessdentalstaffing.com and you can find their contact information, phone number, email address, and they have chat available on their site as well. Additionally, Princess Dental Staffing has a blog on their site, which covers a lot of the same topics that we cover in these live streams. So you can also check that out as well when you're on princessdentalstaffing.com. Okay. Speaking of these streams, each week, Princess Dental Staffing is bringing you a new stream covering a new topic regarding your career in the dental industry. So if you don't want to miss out on future streams, be sure to follow our page or subscribe to our channel. If you like the content we're bringing you, please drop us a like. And if you have anything to contribute to the conversation, thoughts, insights, questions, any commentary having to do with dental industry or the content that we're bringing you, be sure to comment below. Okay? Be part of the conversation. All right. So let's talk about dental assistant career goals. So, why is it important for dental assistants to have career goals? Well, like I previously said, career goals help you to develop your skills, provide better patient care, and advance within your career. Okay. So, really creating these career goals and determining how to pursue them helps you to develop a roadmap within your profession, right? It helps you know where you are, where you want to be, and how to get there. Okay. And not to worry, your roadmap can change, of course. We can definitely change direction at any time, but at the very least, it's a really good idea to know where you're going in your career, and that can help you to avoid feeling stuck or stagnant within your profession. Okay, so career goals are a really great way to kind of like stave off some of that, some of that boredom that can come with, being in the same profession for a long time by allowing you and helping you to know where to focus your efforts in order to progress within your career. Okay. So if you are a dental assistant, you don't have any career goals yet, stay tuned. We're going to start talking about some short and long term career goals that you may want to consider and think about. And, hey, maybe this is something that will work for you and it's something that you want to start creating that roadmap for. Okay, so let's start with short term goals for dental assistants. So, short term goals, we're talking about maybe a year or two. That's generally what we're talking about when we're talking about short term goals. Short term. Okay, so let's start with some of those. Completing your continuing education courses. So, enrolling in courses related to things like new dental technologies, patient care techniques, and industry standards so that you can stay current with all of these different changes within the dental industry is a really great way to kind of develop your skills. It also looks really good on a resume as well. Okay. Showing continuing education shows a dedication to your profession and, a passion for being the best that you can be, being the best dental assistant that you can be in order to provide your patients with exceptional care. Okay. So it's always good to show developing, professional development and continuing education on your resume. Organizations like the ADA and Dale Foundation offer lots of opportunities as well. Okay, for continuing education courses. Gaining some certifications is another way that you can, another goal that you can have for your career. So obtaining additional certifications such as dental radiography, infection control, or maybe a certified dental assistant, a CDA. Okay, that really helps increase your marketability. Again, looks great on a resume, and it can help you to, negotiate higher salaries when you do move to different positions. Other certifications might include things like Extended Function Dental Auxiliary, EFDA, Registered Expanded Function Dental Assistants, RDAEF, or Expanded Duties Dental Assistant, EDDA. Okay. Improving your soft skills is another great way or another great career goal to have. So let's do a quick refresher on harder technical skills and soft skills. Harder technical skills are skills that are essentially technical. They usually require training. They are also generally easily testable kind of skills. So skills such as like computer skills or your ability to use certain applications, software, those sorts of things. Okay. Soft skills are usually pretty personality based. They're a little bit harder to test. And they're things that you just kind of, again, there, if you have a strong soft skill, it's usually something that's kind of part of your personality. Not saying that you can't develop these soft skills, you absolutely can. And again, that's a great career goal to have. So improving soft skills such as enhancing your communication, empathy, and teamwork, those are crucial soft skills that dental assistants need to have. So you can develop some of these skills through workshops or online courses in order to provide better patient care and improved teamwork among your dental teams. Okay. You can also learn new dental software, great career goal. So, becoming proficient in popular dentist office software can increase efficiency. And again, having that knowledge and ability to easily navigate these different systems is very attractive to employers. Companies like Dentrix offer free training along with a mastery track. Okay. Expanding your clinical skills, you can seek opportunities to learn and perform a wider range of dental assistant duties, such as taking impressions or performing coronal polishing. Okay. Building your professional network is another great career goal to have. So you can do this by attending dental conferences, joining dental assistant associations, and participating in online forums in order to connect with colleagues and peers. And that's also a really great way to learn about new job opportunities as well. So if you are currently looking for a role, be sure to try Princess Dental Staffing and see what positions they have available in your area for dental assistants. But you can also network professionally and learn about job openings, maybe even before they're posted through your professional network. Okay. Next is volunteering. So you can offer your services to the community via community health fairs or maybe free dental clinics. That can also gain you more experience. You can give back to the community, which can be really, really fulfilling for some people. And again, great thing to include on your resume. It's experience. Just because you weren't paid for it doesn't mean you didn't strengthen some key skills. So by all means, if you have room on your resume, go ahead and include some volunteer work. Developing a specialty interest, another great career goal. You can start focusing on a dental specialty such as orthodontics or pediatric dentistry to open up more specific career goals, right? So if you widen your skills, the availability of job postings that you're going to be qualified for increases. Okay. And also developing a specialty interest. It could be something that you find that you have a real passion for, which can add a lot of value to your career as well. Improving your time management skills, another great career goal, short term career goal. You can master the ability to efficiently manage tasks and patient flow in the dental office, which, of course, results in enhanced productivity. And finally, for on our list for short-term career goals, building a professional online presence. Okay, so creating a professional profile on a social media platform. LinkedIn is definitely kind of the big one right now, but there are other professional profiles you can create in other platforms as well. But you may want to consider creating one of those. And if you do get on LinkedIn, or if you are currently on LinkedIn, be sure to follow Princess Dental Staffing. Who are also on LinkedIn. And yeah, so create a professional profile. And, that's another great way to kind of build your professional network is virtually. Okay. So, and you can also kind of keep up to date with, articles and information, and it's another great way to kind of hone your skill set as well. Okay, so those are some short term goals. Let's talk about some long term goals for dental assistants. So, generally speaking, when we're talking about long term goals, it's usually like 3 to 5 years, maybe even beyond that. Okay, so that's kind of what like long term goals. What we mean by long term goals when we're talking about long term career goals. Okay, so first on our list is pursuing further education. So, aiming for an advanced degree or certification, maybe in like dental hygiene or dental office management, can open up higher paying and more advanced career opportunities. So it can kind of help you climb the ladder. Specializing in or gaining experience in a specialty or area of interest, you can aim to become a lead dental assistant in that specialty, enhancing both demand and salary potential for you. Okay. Um, Mentorship. So I often tell my clients, when I am conversing with clients and they tell me, I really don't want a leadership role. And not everyone does. Not everyone wants to pursue a managerial or a leadership role in their career. And that is just fine. And a great alternative is mentorship. Okay. So taking on a mentorship role for new dental assistants, sharing your knowledge, your experience, can help them improve their skills and improve their overall quality of care and teamwork within the dental office. Okay. So, mentorship is a great alternative to leadership if you don't see yourself as a leader or a manager. And next on our list, of course, is management roles. So, of course, you can be a manager, you can be a mentor, you can be both. Okay. It depends on you and what your personal career goals are and what you see yourself doing. Okay. So, management roles, you can aim for a management position within a dental office, such as a dental office manager or a lead dental assistant role. Okay. That increases responsibility, which of course increases earning potential. Okay. Also, it can be very fulfilling for some people, again, to be a mentor and or a leader. Or a manager, those things can be, really fulfilling. If that's the type of person you are, definitely recommend maybe adding those one or both of those long-term career goals to your career roadmap. Next is teaching. Again, if you don't want to be a leader or a mentor, maybe teaching is in the cards for you. So you can consider transitioning to a teaching position for dental assistant programs like for schools like Phoenix or something like that. You can share your expertise and contribute to the development of future professionals. Okay. Next, you can own or invest in a dental practice. So you can absolutely explore opportunities to invest in or co own a dental practice to significantly increase your income potential and have a direct impact on patient care quality. Next, developing a niche expertise. So, becoming an expert in an area of dentistry, such as dental implants or cosmetic dentistry, you can become a sought after assistant for specialized procedures. Again, having a specialty, an area of interest, a niche area of expertise, all those things allow you to apply for a wider range of job postings because you qualify for a wider range of job postings. So that gives you some choice in your career. Okay. Next, professional speaking or writing. So you can share your knowledge and experience through speaking engagements at dental conferences, writing articles for dental publications, like Princess Dental Staffing does with their blog. So you can professionally speak or write on topics affecting, dental assistants and those sorts of things. That can help build your network as well. Um, and just, feature yourself centrally in the dental industry. Next, advocate for the profession. So you can absolutely get involved in like dental assistant advocacy and professional organizations so that you can impact the future of the profession and improve working conditions and standards for other dental assistants and yourself, ultimately, right? So, and again, this is something that can be very, very fulfilling as well. And finally, on our list for long-term goals, potential long-term goals for dental assistants in their careers, financial planning for retirement. Okay, starting or continuing to invest wisely in your financial security and your financial future so that you can retire comfortably is, always a good thing, really, for any industry. You definitely want to plan for financial security in your future. So you definitely want to take advantage of retirement plans, especially for dental assistants, considering the physical demands of the profession as well. Definitely invest in your retirement future. Okay. Okay. And then some other things that you can consider. So, maybe you want to stay as a dental assistant, and that's totally fine. Or maybe you want to move towards being a dental hygienist, or again, a dental office manager, or maybe eventually one day a dentist. That would definitely be a very long term goal, right? So, it really, again, is going to specifically depend on you and what you enjoy, what you like, what you're comfortable with in terms of like salary and job tasks. Okay. You can absolutely develop within being a dental assistant, or you can develop, in your career by moving up to like dental hygienist or dental front office manager, or something like that. Okay. But all of that is really going to depend on you and what you want to do and where you see yourself in 5 years. Okay. So, whatever goals you set, make sure that they are in alignment with what you see yourself doing, with your salary requirements, job duties that you are comfortable doing, and all of those sorts of things. And that is really going to help you, again, improve your skills, increase your value to potential employers, advance your career, and provide an exceptional level of patient care. Okay. So, are you a dental assistant, or are you someone that employs dental assistants? If you're a dental assistant and you have some great career goals that you're really, really passionate about, be sure to share them by commenting below. If you are a potential employer, a hiring manager, and you hire dental assistants and you would like to see, a little bit more about their, career advancement, their passion for their career, and what their career goals are in their resumes, maybe in interviews, etc., go ahead and comment below what you like to see. Okay. Let's share information and let's inform each other. All right. That will do it for me today. I hope you enjoyed this stream and it provided you some, really valuable information. I will be back next week with a new topic covering your career in the dental industry. But until then, I hope you have a great week. Hope you have a great weekend. Continue to stay safe out there. I will see you soon. Bye, everyone.